Hello! Good day, Faith and Arts! Nagbiyahe po kami from Quezon City and we are now here at Batangas Port. With me here, Raj. And ayan po, we are here in Montenegro shipping lines. So we are traveling by sea na po, going to Abra de Ilog, Occidental Mindoro. And we are our mission for today is to transport our missionaries to the KATUTUBO Excel School Incorporated headquarters in Barangay Fatima, Kaupawan, Mamburao. So let's go here now. Sa baba na tayo. Tingnan natin yung view dito sa ship na po. Okay, so let's go. Ayan. So, makikita nyo po dito the fee for the sasakyan, kotse po ay 2,100 pesos only. And so here, hello, we are here in the roof deck of Montenegro Lines, and we can see here the islands of Batangas. And welcome to Mindoro, Abra de Ilog. Hello, Faith and Arts, mabuhay! Yan. Did you know that there is a school here in the Philippines who is sponsored by the Layman's Ministry from around the world? And this school is led by Filipinos and foreigners to become their teachers for the native people here in Mindoro, and they are the Manyans. So this school is called KATUTUBO Excel Schools Incorporated by the Seventh-day Adventist Church, and it is here located in Barangay Fatima, Mamburao, Occidental Mindoro. So we are now here to deliver our missionaries and share with you their testimonies. So here, my sister is working here for almost 2 years, and she is assigned in one of the villages here in Mindoro, and there which is called Pinagbayanan. Okay, so this one is the KATUTUBO Excel Schools Incorporated headquarters. So welcome to our building. This is the dormitory for girls and boys, and also the cafeteria where there is the kitchen, the laundry, and where you can hang your clothes so they can dry. Welcome back, Faith and Arts. We are here in KATUTUBO Excel School Incorporated Farm, and we have here different vegetables. You know, when they purchase this lot, it's very barren, and it's only filled with cogon grass, and they only have kaingin here. But right now, look at the soil. They mix it with the vermiculture and the cast. So yeah, it can now be a very fruitful soil where vegetables, fruit-bearing trees can now grow. And we have here a lot of lettuce, pechay, greenhouse. Yeah, there we have greenhouse place where lettuce can grow. It's very delicious. They have beets. And what else, Ate? Ate May?
They have beets.
Wow, beets! I love that. Yeah, beets are very good for those who have cancer. So yeah, it's a very healing plant. Wow.
Mommy, let's make our greenhouse. We are here pa.
Wow. What's that, Ate May?
Bell pepper, ampalaya. Wow, thank you.
Bell pepper. It's really good for the
One fell,
ones.
Tito.
Wow. And ampalaya. Yummy. Okay, we have here also papaya trees and also dragon fruit seedlings. Wow, can you see that? They're still growing, the dragon fruit. Wow. So this is how they do the vineyard. And also here, wow, amazing, right? So I'm excited to, you know, that one vine of dragon fruit can make a bunch of dragon fruits. And here, that's papaya. It's so sweet and really nice. And here's banana trees. Okay, so yeah, this is the missionary farm. So, you know, God called, God provides. Amen. God calls, God provides. He is faithful. Resilient cashews here. Yeah, there you go. They can grow even with rocks, with a rocky point. It's the gate going to KATUTUBO Excel School. And we have here our director, Brother James Webb. And he's a very cool guy who reflects Jesus to us. Wonderful sunset to end the day. So this is our hike today, and I hope you also come and visit KATUTUBO Excel Schools and experience the mission work and get to know more about Jesus. And through encountering the KATUTUBOs and winning them for Christ. Oops. God bless everyone. Faith and Arts family. So we have here Brother James Webb, the leader of our team here in KATUTUBO Excel Schools Incorporated, and he got a message for you, and let's listen to that.
Good evening, friends. I would like to encourage you with counsel of Paul. Study to show yourself approved of God. And what I mean by that is make sure you understand what you claim you believe. Don't be satisfied just with the surface, with the superficial. Those who read grow. Those who don't. And if you're serious about your relationship with Christ, reading and comprehending is extremely important. So I personally believe that we are in the time of the end, and I believe this work will be finished by young people. We are told that it was started by young people, and I believe young people will be instrumental in the closing work. So let me encourage you, don't be satisfied just with getting wet in baptism. Baptism means death. We die to self and invite Christ to come live in us. So ask God, what is it that He wants you to do with your life to honor Him and to encourage your fellow man? God bless.